Jury selection began today in the trial of the Oxford High School shooter's father, James Crumbley. CBS News Detroit's Andres Gutierrez is on your block in Pontiac with more on what played out on day one.
The judge told those potential jurors that she is well aware of all the publicity James Crumbley's wife's trial received, but this is a new trial, and so she is looking for a group of men and women who can be impartial, or as she put it, independent thinkers. In total, just over 300 Oakland County residents were summoned for jury duty for this particular trial around 1 o'clock this afternoon. About 50 of them packed into the courtroom of Cheryl Matthews, who chose 15 of them at random to sit in the jury box. They learned about the charges James Crumbley faces. Then they were peppered with questions to figure out who would become the final 12 jurors and 3 alternates. The judge asked questions about their feelings over law enforcement, gun ownership, and their exposure to the mass shooting at Oxford High. Then Oakland County prosecutor Karen McDonald asked questions about guns, mental health, and whether they trust everything they hear in the media, because she wants to make sure they only rely on the evidence she'll lay out once the testimony begins. We learned that 2 potential jurors don't own a television. One of them has never heard about the case. 2 others aren't on social media and barely know about the case. Early on in the process, 2 potential jurors were excused for medical reasons. The prosecution ended up using one of their strikes to excuse a 3rd before court wrapped up for the day. Jury selection does resume tomorrow morning at 9. Reporting in Pontiac, Andres Gutierrez, CBS News, Detroit.